Right. This is Dire Warrior. They are Jamaica and it's true, you know. I mean, I think about some things where I want to share with the world. Jamaica is one of the greatest places on earth, and it is proving we have some of the most creative minds. We have some of the most powerful people. Marcus Garvey and Bob Marley is two amazing individuals who pass through earth where make a solid impact on earth. And I know the mother feel good for know say we have this tool we call social media where you can send out information to millions of people, and the people them prefer use it and cuss each other and undermine each other and ridicule each other instead of use it to build each other. Reason and reason to a positive end is one of the most powerful things we have as human beings. Because when we can talk to each other and we can teach each other and when we can help each other to be a better person and grow, that's a part of our evolution. And we don't get a chance to do it a lot of time because we get bombarded by a lot of negativity. You know, people prefer push negativity towards each other than, you know, try to uplift each other in Jamaica. If you look on your social media, if you look on your WhatsApp, your Instagram and your TikTok and this and that, and just look on the content them where people choose to put out, them not try do nothing for help nobody. Them not more cuss each other and cuss the music and cuss the this and cuss the that. It's just be a cussing, you know. When people have time, a lot of people, that's where they put them energy to. Cussing each other. It don't make no sense. Worse as Rasta. Because you know say Jamaica are the place where free people from slavery after how much years of bondage. Jamaica are the place where they have the warrior them were fearless. Where no one say things have to change and where they willing to fight for it. And them go 80 and go kick off things over 80 and come back to Jamaica same way and kick off things at Jamaica. To this day Jamaicans still a fight. Still a fight. If we live a positive life because the world get buyout. People them get buyout. The people them put money over everything else. Money are the God. If a man have the money and him a millionaire or what, him just feel say everybody else around him for basically a run behind him, or you know, him not understand say everybody have the potential to achieve the money just like how him achieve it. He must achieve it before some people. Because on me, nothing can stop me from achieve money. Enough time I just me just easy because I know money are the pre. My pre are the love for the Almighty. And for no one say, day by day I'm give you daily bread. Never hungry yet, never from me know myself, never unless you are hungry. The most I said, day by day I'm give you daily bread. Day by day, you make you achieve and make you eat and make your family live and youth go school and everything else happen. And we don't run down the money, we just there. And the money will come. So you don't have to run it down, it will come. If you put in the work for the money, it will come. Like me, enough music me do. Enough people me help in the music same way. I mean, I guess, me know the money will come. If me don't run it down, probably me don't end up in a one bag of things with people and all man and different things. Me just leave that because I know so when the Most High ready to bless you, I eat that. Nobody can stop that. Because we put in the work. We put in the work. So I'm not if I watch that. You know, when I feel away, if you just know like Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey and them people, they set a certain precedence in intelligence and them thing and to see how them people are come up now and them prefer to be stupid. Them prefer to be stupid more than to learn, more than to be the creator that they are. If you look, you can see people still are create things in Jamaica and still are manifest things and do great things. But you also look and you see say, some people are doing some folly. We can't help the nation, we can't help the youth, and them feel so comfortable doing it. Comfortable, I tell people about war and all manner of different foolishness. Comfortable. God run earth, and no matter how people think of them intelligent, what do I call it now? Them believe in mankind for help. Because God still work through man. Because you have as I said, the same, Oberman them. Some of them have to do God work. Because you have good and evil and everything. Have good and evil and everything. But the Almighty and Him run everything. And if you believe in the Almighty and you know the Almighty, there's nothing at all what people can do for affect you. Because when them do the thing, them affect themselves. It can't affect you because you know the Almighty. When them things say them hold you down and them make you not have the money and them make you not, and them affect themselves. Because when the Most High ready, Him just bless you. But Him put you through struggle all the while to see them and see how them stay and see how them hearts stay and see what them really are deal with. Negativity. People just fight against people. I know I say Marcus Garvey as a great man. At the end of the day when them there in Jamaica, them ridicule him and stone him and do all type of things to him. And I say how much years after them I give the man him glory. And I say the great works what him do. But them can't see it. When people know you, them undermine you and fight against you if them evil. Who know you and rate you, try to help you and push you forward. Because I have good friend, good family. Where enough people now privileged. Right now, me and my mother and father same way. And my mother and father come like two angels. Them so loving, them so amazing. That's why I'm there in Jamaica. Because I could have lived a foreign long time. I have to dem amongst my mother and father because I have to make sure them are alright. I have to spend all the time I can with them. I go to America and I need them drop up and I can't have a travel and I hear the story how much time. And I depend on that. I have to live with my mother and father, suffer with them. Because Jamaica is a place where you suffer. They say you suffer and no righteousness. Suffer. Because you don't have the resources where you don't want. And the people who have it squandered. Because they not even know. And I want to say them don't know the meaning of it. Them just live a careless life. Them not think about nobody else but themselves. Most of the people them just think about themselves. So them rich for themselves. Them get it for themselves. And them use it against everybody else, including them family. Them not share the blessing. Jamaica, we need to wake up and try to make a difference. Positivity around the world. Be positive.